So unless, how do we use it and what does it mean? We're going to find out right now. But if this is your first time to the channel, subscribe, hit the bell notification, because this channel is all about helping you learn English, expand your vocabulary and speak like a native Englishman. And we're going to start right now. So unless essentially means except if. If. And that's the key word here in if. If something does not happen, then you will do something else. If something does not happen, then you will have to do something else. If I don't learn English, then I can't teach you English. If I don't run and go to the gym, then I will not lose weight. Unless I learn English, I can't teach English. Unless I start running and doing cardio and doing cardiovascular exercises, then I can't lose weight. Unless I start a habit, I can't develop it and keep going with it. Unless, except if I get this job, I will go back to my old one. But you could rephrase that and say, if I get this job, then I won't need to go back to my old one. If I get this job, then I won't need to go to my old job. Unless I do, except if I don't get it, then I'll go back to my old one. It's used instead of if. Unless I get the job, I have to go back to my old one. Unless I learn a new language, unless I learn Arabic, then I can't teach it. Unless I learn Arabic, then I can't teach it. But the sentence layout does not matter when using unless, because we can put it in most places. For example, I don't know, actually, generally at the start, unless, like a conditional, unless I get this job, I have to go back to my old one. Actually, you could even say, I will go back to my old job, unless, conditional, I get this new job. I can't teach French unless I know French fluently. Let me think. Even these suspenders. Unless I will continue wearing these suspenders unless they break, unless they're too small or too tight or something, then I can't. So unless they break, I can continue using them, continue wearing them. I could have a bow tie. I could wear a bow tie that goes well with the suspenders, unless it looks a bit too serious, too structured, too much. This is nice and casual. Unless you disagree. So unless is, if something does not happen, then you will have to do something else. If I don't get the job, then I'll have to go back to my old one. It's a conditional. It's a one of those like little asterisks in a sentence. If, and if is the scariest word in the English language. If it throws doubt onto everything you do. If, unless, when, should, could. If this then that, if that then this. Interesting. But if you want to keep learning English, expanding your vocabulary, being a more confident speaker, and speaking like a native Englishman, then subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification next to it for the latest uploads. But I'll see you again soon, so you can continue learning English with Adrian. Bye bye.